friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have the April Simply Earth recipe box. This is their monthly subscription box, and Simply Earth is one of my favorite essential oil companies because they have great quality essential oils, great prices, and they really strive to educate you in how to get your hands on and use your oils, not just purchase them and then let them sit on your shelf and get dusty. So these, I think $45 currently. I have a code that will give you a $45 gift card back to use on your next box or future purchases. You also get a big bonus box when you sign up every one and then every 6 months after that. It's a big box with coconut oil, empty bottles, rollers, other things you'll need to make different and various recipes. All of the education is done by an aromatherapist. So anyways, it just takes the brain work out of using oils. And if you like making things, I know my girls like making things with me. It's just a really fun subscription box, and the value is always crazy. I guess I'll start with that then. The value of this month is $151, and the theme is natural cleaning, which I literally just got done spring cleaning my main floor, kitchen, living room, laundry room, my bedroom, and I am exhausted. I burned more calories than a workout, and so I'm like, why don't I just clean every day? Oh, another last side note before, I have a lot of these oils that I get each month already on my shelf, and so if I have one or even multiples, I will put these in my giveaway pile, and I give away oils each month on my email list. So if you don't find that link down below or can't figure it out for whatever reason, just let me know in the comments and I'll help you get signed up. But tea tree is what made me think of it, because I do have tea tree. So this will be going in my giveaway pile. I'm gonna go grab my tea tree in just a second. Lemon eucalyptus. Also, actually, I have all of these. So all of these will be going in the giveaway pile. Lemon eucalyptus. This one is great for cleaning. It does remind me a little bit of lemongrassy in that type of scent family. So it's not my favorite, but it is a great one for cleaning. Lemongrass is just basically the only essential oil that I do not like. Clean and Fresh is a blend. Typically you'll get 3 single essential oils and a blend. This one is a blend of fir needle, lemon, grapefruit, and neroli. So think all of the cleaning products that you grew up with, especially with the fir needle, like pine sol, that pine type of tree oil, lemon, like the Pledge. Think of all those cleaning products, the toxic ones that you grew up with, in Clean and Fresh. And then lastly, tangerine. I love tangerine. I love citrus oils. They are great for boosting the cleaning power of things, just to bring an uplifting aroma to boost your mood while you're cleaning, diffuse, all of the things. I really could not live, I don't think, without citrus essential oils. So each month you also get a little pamphlet. It's like you earn a badge each time. This one is the cleaning badge. And then, oh, I just got this. So this is their monthly kit, but they also have seasonal kits, sometimes monthly, it just depends, but on just different DIYs where you're making, one time you made 50 lip balms around the holiday season. There are tons. There was a perfume kit, but this newest one is soap nut liquid laundry detergent kit, and I have used soap nuts before and they work. I liked it, but this one you're making a natural liquid detergent. So I will be maybe filming this today. I just got this box in the mail, and so I'll share that with you guys soon. But again, great value when they do those DIY boxes too, and it's like useful things. So next, so this is different because this is a different brand, it looks like. So on the back of this, it says, Simply Earth is launching a sister cleaning brand, which that's really exciting. Cleaning is one of the main reasons I got into oils, is because all of our cleaning products were toxic. And so I had to start at ground zero and build up a cleaning. Anyways, I could talk for days about cleaning, but Ruthie Lou's, a cleaning line focused entirely on providing toxin-free products. So this is the very first launch of their new sister company. This is dishwasher dissolvable sheets powered by enzymes. So zero plastic, zero mess, powered by plants, fragrance free. It has 2 sheets, so you toss the dishwasher sheet into your dishwasher and fold it and add it to the little dishwasher slut. Choose your preferred wash cycle and run your dishwasher as you normally would. I will test these out, but I will say I have not yet found a dishwasher detergent or cleaner of any sort that works for us, and I'm like distraught about it. I really have tried so hard to find. I've used every single one that I could think of, and our dishwasher just ends up with a film, and the dishes it doesn't work. So I will try these I have to say I don't have high hopes just because I haven't found anything that works yet. So here are all of the cards. You get 6 each month, and then they also have a box if you want a cute little way to store them, or they used to at least on their website. And then you'll get stickers to label everything. So here are the stickers, and then a couple of items that you'll need to make the recipes. So Lemon Lift laundry sheet. So you're going to use 1 laundry detergent sheet, which is here. Now, laundry stuff, I use natural only, and I have found them to be very effective. It's only the dishwasher stuff that I have not been able to find. So these are laundry sheets, and I actually have these already, and I do use these, and they work, and I like them. But this one, you're going to add 15 drops of lemon eucalyptus. So what you do is either use a full sheet. This is a half. It's folded in half, I think. Either way, for a small load, you tear it in half. And for a large load, you use the full sheet. You place 15 drops of lemon eucalyptus for this recipe on it. You don't have to add essential oils at all to this. This is the soap in itself. And then you place it into your washing machine drum and then run it as normal. Clean and Fresh multi-purpose cleaning spray. I love these. I've gotten these before. This is a little tablet inside of here. Maybe I'll add this to my giveaway because I do have some of these already on hand. But you add to a 16-ounce spray bottle this tablet and then 50 drops of Clean and Fresh or whatever essential oil you want. Then optionally, you can add a 1/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol to the cleaner as well. I usually do not do that. Bye Stain Remover is next. This is good. This is a spray, so you're going to use 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, which comes in your box this month. This is 1 ounce bottle. So you'll need 1 tablespoon of this, 5 drops of lemon eucalyptus, and then you fill a 1 ounce spray bottle. So you're using this size spray bottle, so you're making a small one. Then you add distilled water as well, but you mix the Castile soap and lemon eucalyptus, add it to the spray bottle, and then fill with water. So it would be nice if they had a spray bottle in here, because I just don't have 1 ounce spray bottles laying around usually, but if you had like maybe a sprayer top that could fit on, I don't know. Anyways, Mood Refresh Roll-On. This one is in an amber glass roll-on bottle, which does come in your big bonus box. You'll need 2 drops of Clean and Fresh, 2 lemon eucalyptus, 1 tea tree, and 1 drop tangerine. And then you're going to mix that all up and fill it with coconut oil, which comes in your big bonus box. So a nice roll-on. And then this is the label for that right here. Then I think this is the last one, but I think I dropped one. There's 2 more. Squeaky Clean Dishwasher Detergent Sheet. So you're going to use a half a sheet of Ruthie Lou's dishwasher detergent sheet, 15 drops of tangerine onto it. Then you're going to throw it in the dishwasher or fold it up and put it into the little slot. Again, I will give it a try. Spring Clean Diffuser Blend. So you also get empty bottles that look like this but are smaller. So you're going to mix up your own little diffuser blend. So you're going to make like a master blend. 25 drops tea tree, 25 lemon eucalyptus, 25 tangerine, and 25 Clean and Fresh. So you're mixing all of the essential oils this month into an empty bottle to make a new blend called Spring Clean. And then on the back of all of these cards, there's going to be more information. I like this one right here because it has a summary of everything in the box and whether or not. It's just a quick guide on each oil. So dilute before using on skin. So safety information, is it kid safe, pregnancy safe, cat safe, dog safe, and then the use for all of those. This is really helpful, so I like that. A sneak peek at next month. So this is introducing Ruthie Lou, the new cleaning brand, which is really exciting. You can get 50% off your next box, and then a 20% off coupon for Ruthie Lou's on that card. So make sure you check front and back. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. I am going to grab these oils because I forgot to do a quick smell test. So I grabbed mine off the shelf and I will just kind of smell them and share with you. I'm sure we all know what tea tree smells like. It's kind of strong and medicinal. It is like a tree oil, but also has that medicinal aroma too. It smells fresh. Tea tree is a great powerful essential oil that can be used for so many different things. I keep a roller of tea tree with me in my kit that I just travel with because it can be used for so many things. It's all of the things, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. So a lot of skin things or just weird types of ailments that you might get. Lemon eucalyptus, so I don't even have to take a whiff. This smells, it's a very strong essential oil. And really to me just smells like lemongrass and citronella. It doesn't smell like lemon or eucalyptus. It takes your breath away. And like I said, citronella, lemongrass, lemongrass mainly is the essential oil that I don't like. I have smelled and have tons of essential oils, and I just do not like lemongrass. But it's very powerful in cleaning, and when you're cleaning and like your spray smells like that, I get it, and it's fresh and clean, but just to smell it is just like so off-putting to me. Here is this blend. So it's fir needle. Let me shake mine up. So it's fir needle, neroli, lemon, and grapefruit. So it's going to be citrusy, uplifting, but with fir needle being first, you're getting a lot of that, which just smells like the best natural cleaner in the best way, if that makes sense. And then tangerine, super fresh. So I just got mandarin. I think it was mandarin. But the mandarin, tangerine, those different citruses, kind of different from orange, just smell a little bit tangier and sweeter and brighter. It smells so good. All right, and then last thing I will share, I think today, is that they have this Simply Pure Promise on the bottle, and their labeling has changed over time. This is an older bottle, I think. Let me just look at the new one. Make sure it's the same. It is the same. So here are the two. So they have this number, and if you just go on Tangerine's page or webpage on Simply Earth's website, you can just click through and go to their GCMS reports. But you also can go to simplyearth.com/simplypure and put in your number. So they make it very easy to check their test results and quality. They're very transparent. And again, their prices are just great. You cannot beat them. Maybe with Revive you can, but they're just really great. Overall, so many great things. So we love them, and I share this each month because I love making this. It's always seasonal. Right now, I literally just got done cleaning and I've got this box. So I'm gonna